Good afternoon, everybody. This is Irene Weisman, immigration attorney. Today is Monday, January 13th, 2025. And today we're going to discuss income taxes and how they relate to immigration law. Let me first say that I'm not an accountant, I'm an immigration attorney, okay? So all questions about how to do your taxes or any actual tax related questions, go straight to an accountant. Okay, so this is just simply the importance of properly completed taxes in the context of immigration law. Okay, marriage cases: if you're submitting an application for adjustment of status based on marriage, income taxes are extremely important. And if they're married, we file our taxes as married filing jointly. Okay, very, very important. It's very important, one of the very important pieces of evidence to show the bona fide nature of the marriage. Okay, 751 applications: removal of conditions. If you continue to reside with your spouse, or if you are divorced, and you would like to show the bona fide nature of the marriage, that's one very important aspect. Income taxes, the jointly filed taxes. Citizenship: obviously, if you're applying for citizenship based on that marriage, they want to see those joint taxes. But another very important aspect: there's a question on the citizenship application about debt to IRS. Do you owe any federal, state, or local taxes? Okay, and that's it's very important. It's a good moral character issue. It can become a basis for denial, believe it or not. And in those cases, what they're looking to see, if you do owe taxes to the IRS, they want to see that you have created a contract with the IRS and that you're making good on that contract, that on a monthly basis you're sending your payments. Okay, they want to see that contract and they want to see the proof of payments. Okay, so very, very important. In the context of asylum, okay, this is New York, their Second Circuit for the most part. Very important, so it becomes part of the discretionary nature in asylum. Absolutely, we show taxes. Okay, for all the years my clients have filed, we show income taxes. It's very, very important. Okay, and in the context of cancellation of removal, whether it's LPR cancellation or non-LPR cancellation, taxes go to show good moral character. They also go to show physical presence for the non-LPR cancellation cases, but in both, it's good moral character issue, and it's a really big one. Okay, I have seen judges say to people that unless you backfile those taxes, I'm not granting you relief for cancellation. So absolutely, I have told my clients to go backfile their taxes when income taxes are extremely important, and clients haven't filed because either they thought that they didn't have to, or for whatever reason they didn't file. If it's necessary, I'll make you go back to an accountant and file those taxes. Okay, and I've done it for both citizenship cases and the cancellation of removal cases, because that's because of the importance of taxes being filed, be properly filed. Okay, and then it's always very important that you work with the proper income tax preparer, whether it's an accountant or an enrolled agent. Very, very important. Okay, don't just go to anybody. Just like with immigration documents, right? Make sure you work with an attorney, somebody who is licensed and who has experience in doing that type of work. Okay, income tax is incredibly important in the context of immigration law. I just, very brief overview that for the most part, any relief you're going to file in immigration, whether it's USCIS or immigration court, income taxes are going to come up. So if you are physically in the United States and if you are employed, you should be filing taxes. Okay, and and please make sure you save those records. And it's very important to go. If you do not have an IRS account, you should create one. You should go to irs.gov and create an account. It has all like a whole bunch of security issues and questions, but created that account. It's actually a pretty good website, and if you have been working here, it shows you, when you can retire, how much your social security payments are going to be. There's a lot of documents in there that are quite useful. Okay, for our purposes, it's the income tax transcript that I always ask my clients to download in PDF and just email to me, because it comes directly from the IRS. It shows everything. If somebody is self-employed and does not have a W-2 but has a 1099, that's the document we use. We use the IRS transcript because it shows all deductions. It comes directly from the IRS. Very clean, very important document. Okay. And again, for for the marriage cases, if you are married, your income taxes should be filed as married filing jointly, not as head of household, definitely not as single. That's just the wrong way of filing. If you have been going to the same accountant for like last 10 years, and you just email everything to them. If you did get married, last year, please be sure to update your accountant that your filing status has changed and that you are now married. Okay, and provide your spouse's information. Very, very important stuff. Okay, so I hope this information helps you. Please be mindful. You are all going to be going to an accountant soon. Please make sure that taxes are done and that they are properly done. And if you need to back file taxes, you may want to do that, take care of that so that everything is in order. Okay, everybody. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.